Howdy, electric vehicle gang. This is the 2023 Chevy Bolt EV 2LT, showing off some drive-along footage with the REXING DASHCAM in 4K. It sure does take time to build up incidents to put together in a video reel like this. Encountering goofy drivers and pedestrians as a motorist, as well as my own transgressions when losing patience and cheat past traffic driving in the Windy City. An issue we're having with YouTube is that they like to bury these videos due to copyrighted music, and am dependent on you to like, sub, and share. Please reference playlists linked in the description below for all our dashcam adventures with a bunch of loony wildebeests in Chicago. Also, stay tuned for a 3-year review with this Bolt EV coming up real soon. Thank you very much in advance. You all stay well, buckle up, arm up. Ciao, friends.
This fucking freak.
Light, turn left onto Northridge Boulevard.
Se van bien pistudas.
No tengo nalgas, ¿sabes?
Ah, que tenga.
You motherfuckers drive like pussies straight. I look forward to it too. That should be an easy one. You're not turning in here, are you?
Vos private rampas para regresarte.
Okay. No sé si es electric bike o qué. Ay, no sé. Oh, no,
No,
es
de gas.
Sí, es de gas. What a jag-off.
que pegaba el grito más que un cangrejo, porque la sacaron de la migración, parece que la sacó de arrastre.
Just add more attention and let me listen to the problem. All right? Let's get it.
Saw that they were driving like pussies, so I have to go around their ass.
How do we feel today, ladies and gentlemen? And I will show you just how the ghetto youth flow. This is real life, living on a fucking shore. We don't know about Tony and fancy cars, but where we come from, those who show off become victims. Cause in the ghetto, everyone is a superstar, and everyone is like